Hi everyone, if you love bold flavor, butter, and a little bit of heat, this Cajun Butter Shrimp Scampi is for you. It's going to be your new favorite dinner, okay? Before I begin, if you're new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. I would love you to be a part of this family, so hit that subscribe button. Also, if this video was helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and let's dive in. We're going to get started by boiling our pasta. I have the water already boiling just to save you guys some time, okay? I am using linguine pasta. I'm using half of the box, so just add that in, just like this. We are going to season it with a little bit of salt and chicken bouillon. So add that in, give it a little bit of stir here and there. Then we're going to cover it, allow it to boil for about 7 to 10 minutes. Now it's time to move on to the shrimp. I have a little bit under 1 pound of shrimp. I'm going to pat it dry just like this, and then I'm going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil, mix it up, and then we're going to season. To season, I am using my Cajun Crush seasoning. I'll leave the link down below, or it might be on the screen. And some salt, and actually truffle salt. Yes, it's gonna add so much flavor to this. And I'm adding some ground black pepper as well. So sprinkle it all over, give it a mix. Now, there's no reason to complicate this recipe. It's very simple, okay? Don't overdo it. Mix it just like this, and the shrimp is ready to be seared. Now it's time to pan sear my shrimp. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil. Now I'm going to add the shrimp in, just like this. We're going to cook the shrimp for about 2 minutes per side, okay? Quick, easy. We don't want any rubbery shrimp, so we want it to be very tender, not chewy. It is time for me to flip my shrimp over. As you guys can see, they're nice and pink. That means they need to be flipped. So I'm gonna let it go for another 1 minute. 1 minute should do it, and then we'll remove it and set it aside. Having the tail on the shrimp just looks so nice, but you can remove it if you like. I'll see you guys in a few minutes, in 1 minute, when it's ready. All right, guys, it is time to remove the shrimp. Looking good, smelling good, and we already know it's about to be so delicious. Ooh, smells so good. This is what we're looking like. Beautiful. Going to set that aside. All right, guys, now we're going to make that delicious sauce for the pasta. So I'm adding about 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Allow that to melt. Nice and hot. Now I have 3 cloves of garlic here. Fresh garlic is better. Make it taste even more authentic, so I'm going to add that in. Fry that for a little bit. I also have a teaspoon of dry pepper flakes. It's not going to be that spicy. So add that in, give it a stir. I'm going to add some white wine. Ooh. That looks good. Next, I'm going to use half a lemon juice. Make sure you don't drop the seeds in. Squeeze that in. Ooh, smells so good. Perfect. Give it a stir. I'm going in with some fresh parsley. A little bit. I'm going in with a little bit of salt and pepper. And now I'm going to add in my pasta. The pasta was done already, so I strain it, and then I'm going to add that in, just like this. Woo. Give it a mix. Don't forget the shrimp. It's going in. Ready? Let's go. Ooh. Quick, delicious. Now I'm going in with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. You know, you can never add enough Parmesan. It needs a little bit of color, so let me add a little bit more parsley. Then give it a mix. Smells so good. It smells amazing, okay? And there you have it. Spicy, delicious Cajun butter shrimp scampi. All right, now it's time for the taste test, and you know I'm ready. Let's do it. It looks so good, smells so good. Ooh, that shrimp. Cheers, you guys. Mm, mm, mm. 1,000 out of 10, okay? It's very flavorful. Like for something that takes less than 30 minutes, this is a must try. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Hopefully you can try it out very, very soon because this is a must try, 10 out of 10 in my book. If you try it, don't forget to come back here. Leave me a comment down below. How do you like it? Also hit that subscribe button for more recipes like this one. Like this video if it was helpful. I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye guys, see you later.